I got another shoe unboxing for you guys. Excuse the hair, I got a hot date, you know. Man, if only guys could see what you look like before you go on the date. How do you like my plant? I don't even know what plant this is, honestly. I found it on the street. It's just like sticks straight up and then it has like these leaves at the top, but then the leaves keep falling off, but it keeps growing taller. So I just feel like eventually it's gonna be a really tall stem with like 3 leaves on the top. I don't know, found it in the trash, thought it was cool. So I gave it a home. But anyways, background information on the shoes. I got the Adidas Sambas from Dick's Sporting Goods. They were $75, including shipping, super good price. Let's open it. Oh. You guys, they look big. What is this? Why am I like this? What size did I get? This is like way too big. It's not even half a size too big. Oh. Okay, it says a 6.5. I know it's a man's shoe, but I don't know. I got like a 6 in my New Balances and those are men's shoes, so I thought that that would be the right size. Yeah, they're big. They're like giant on me. Well, this is what they look like. Oh, now, okay. I'm gonna reorder them and I'm gonna do another unboxing for you guys, but this is the shoe. It's cute. I don't know if it's comfy because like obviously they're really big on me. So it's hard for me to see if they're comfy or not. They feel comfy. I'm disappointed in myself. Okay, so I just looked at the website and to confirm my mistake because I was like, how did I make this mistake? It says that a men's 6.5 is a woman's 7.5 and this is a men's 6.5. But it's like way too big on me. So I don't know how I'm rating this wrong, but yeah, so I'm gonna have to return these and get back to you guys with a true unboxing with shoes that actually fit me.
No, 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 no.